Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to buy Reliance Industries in the cash segment on marginal declines to the 800 levels. I would hold these long positions with a stop loss at 795, and I would expect to book profits at 810 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy in the cash segment in Grasim Industries at 2,864 levels. I would hold these long positions so initiated with a stop loss at 2,842, and I would expect to book profits at 2,894 or end of the session, whichever comes first. In the future space, I would want to buy Reliance Capital April futures at 355 levels, which is marginally lower than where it closed at day before yesterday. I would hold these long positions with a stop loss at 352 and expect to book profits at 363 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
Well, Nifty for the day needs to stay above 5823, resistance at 5856 and 5876, support at 5803 and 5770. Bank Nifty needs to stay above 12,493 and CNX IT above 6154. BTST from Friday, Dr. Reddy's was a buy with a stop of 1890, target of 1965. Hero Honda was a buy with a stop of 1520, target of 1600. And RCOM was a sell with a stop of 96, target of 88. Fresh calls, BF Utilities a buy with a stop of 274, target of 290. Jet Airways a buy with a stop of 550, target of 610. GNFC is a buy with a stop of 76, target of 88. Diwan Housing is a buy with a stop of 174, target of 190. L&T Finance is a buy with a stop of 75, target of 87. And Cummins India is a buy with a stop of 506, target of 530.
I would say that 59.10, 59.30 is what we have been talking about, and I think that will act as a strong resistance. I don't see the Nifty going up one way beyond that. Well, it may not fall much below 58.20, 58.30. So at that level, I would talk of a 70, 80, 100 point correction, which should be used for buying. I'm not bearish per se. Individually, I have a buy in National Fertilizers NFL with a stop loss of 46, target of 56. A buy in Hero Motocorp in the range of 1560, 1545, stop loss 1524, target 1630. A buy in Finolex Cables, stop loss 46, target 57. And a sell in Bata India only below 725, stop loss of 743, target 689.
I've got mostly buy calls. The first one is a buy on Bajaj Auto, which was also a recommendation as BTST, I think the day before yesterday. Now can be bought with a stop below 1780 for a target of 1845. Grasim is also a buy, stock which is recovering after going through a strong decline. Now can be bought with a stop at 2836 for a target of around 2925. NMDC is something which I've been waiting for the stock to get past levels of 131, given the fact that it should indicates a strong opening today. I think buy above 131, keep a stop at about 128.5, look for a target of around 137 in the short term. Siemens is a buy with a stop at 510 for a target of 565, while Tata Steel is a buy, and again a buy above 312. So once the stock starts trading above that, keep a stop at 306 and look for a price target of around 330 on the upside.